Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Habitica quests to stay consistent with reminders. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Habitica app or website. Log into your account. Navigate to the settings menu. Scroll down to the quests section. Click on Manage Quests. Review your current quests listed. Identify any quests that need updates. Select the quest you want to modify. Click on the Edit option. Change the quest name or description as needed. Adjust the difficulty level if necessary. Set a new deadline or frequency for reminders. Save your changes. Return to the main dashboard. Check if the updated quest appears correctly. Set reminders by navigating to the Reminders section. Choose how often you want to be reminded. Select the time of day for your reminders. Save the reminder settings. Double-check your updated quests and reminder notifications. Make a habit of reviewing your quests weekly. Stay consistent to achieve your goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.